Hello guys, this is the last day of the course. I hope you are taking some notes so you can implement it later after the course. Okay, so in today's video I want to share with you an incredible stuff. I want to share with you how to write your pitch and also how to write a proven proposal later so that you can get any client you want to get. Okay, so please grab your notepad, grab your writing material so you can take some notes for today's course. Okay, so how to I'm gonna start first from how to write a pitch. Okay, so number one thing that you need to consider when you want to write any pitch is how to find people to pitch to. How to find people to pitch to. If you can remember the last one, the last section we had, I said something about gather, slate, stuff like that. So that is how you can find people to pitch to. You need to create a customer avatar, a client avatar. Let me use a client avatar. You need to create what are the things that you need from your clients, what are their criteria, what are they made of. So that is how you, after you have created these things, then you go to where you can see them, you go to where they are hanging out and look for how to get their attention. Okay, so number two is don't make it look like a template. Okay, so don't make your pitch look like a template. You need to make it friendly, you need to make it connective. Like, you need to make it that you need to do something that they would like to know more about, that they will be interested to get back to you, they will be interested to message you back. Okay, make your headlines so curiosity driven so that they will be interested to get back to you. So number three is make your cool pitch sweet and short. What do I mean? Make it very sweet and short. Don't make it too complicated. Like example, introduce your service. After you might have introduced your service, that's number one. Show how you can help them get to where they are, provide results, and also put a call to action at the end of your pitch so that they will get back to you. The call to action will be click on the link below to book a call with me, or if this is helpful, please reply so that we can collaborate together. Like, let the call to action be very short. Let it not be too complicated. Let it not be like you are looking for something, you are very interested in the money. Don't look at the money. Let me tell you something before we go on. The money you are looking for is in another man's pocket. The money you are looking for is in the world, but the world is looking for you as well, but it's not looking for the version of you. You need to change. You need to like get some value in yourself. You need to give out some value before they can. Let me tell you, the principle of wealth is giving. I've said this before in the beginning. The more you give, the more you get back in return. If you don't give, people won't give you back. So if you want to create wealth for yourself, then you need to learn how to give. You need to learn how to add value to some people. You need to learn how to connect with people and make them see you valuable. So that's that. Make your pitch sweet and short. So identify who you are and how you can help them. Like, for example, like me, I'm Samuel Uko. I'm a business and marketing strategist. I'm also the founder of Samuel Bliss Media, the #1 best marketing and advertising agency, and I help businesses to grow their business. I help e-commerce business, I help startups, and also I help companies that want to scale their business from one level to the next level. That's just an example I'm setting for you guys. And one of my passion is to make sure I help over 10,000 business owners to move from where they are today to the next level, to 10x their business in the next 12 months. So that is basically an example that should an introductory identity example that you should give to your client, that you should give to people that you want to work with. Like, who are you, what are you made of, and how can you help them? And as well, what is your passion, what are you good at? So number 4 is, what is your uniqueness? What is your unique proposition for people to take on your offer that other people are not doing? So you need to have a unique proposition. You need to have a uniqueness that people will say, this is the kind of person I want to work with. And number 5, put a call to action. As I said before, put a call to action so that people will know what you want from them. Like, a call to action can simply be, let's get on a video so that we can chat more. Let's get on a video call, call me or reply to this message. A call to action can be anything, okay, but make it simple for people to take on. Like another example is, let me give you another example so that you can resonate with what I'm saying better. I am dash, I help dash, and my greatest passion is dash. I have been fortunate to help, like, list one of the biggest problems that you have helped people to solve. Like, I have been passionate to help so business owners to solve this particular problem. Or you can as well put some of your achievements, what you have achieved for business owners or what you have achieved for people. And at the end, you may likely put a question, because that is what people resonate with most time. Like, you can ask a question: are you willing to move your business to the next level? Or what is the goal for your business? What is the goal for your business by 2023? Or what are you currently making? How much are you currently making in your business? Like, you can put a question. When you put a question, people will likely like to answer the question so that they can continue the conversation. So that's that for how to write a better pitch. And the next video we want to go into is how to write a proven proposal letter to get any client. So number one is hook your clients with a powerful headline. Number two is provide the steps that you are going to take to get to their result. Number three is provide quantity and varieties of proof that you have worked before, like the things that you have done before. You can use anybody's proof. You can use a friend's proof, or you can go to the internet and look for some proof, or you can as well start doing stuff for people for free, and at the return you can get some of the proof to do whatever you want. And number four is put a call to action so that they will likely get back to you. For example, what I'm trying to say is, number one, brief introduction. Number two, prove what you are capable of doing. Number three is call to action. Number four is don't make the proposal letter about yourself, but about the client, about the things that you are going to help them do. So that's that for this one. I hope you have taken a lot of notes. So we are going to look at the next video is how to make $100 from Fiverr. Okay, so I want you to take I want you to